'Cause I live my life like I'm a beast. I'm a motherfucking beast!
Boom! What's going on, guys? It's Shape Dog here. Who's your name, Baggy Boy? I'm gonna make some banana peanut butter protein pancakes. So, simple really. All you need is bananas and protein. So, here we go. I'm gonna weigh up my bananas right here. They got zeroed out. So, gonna weigh them out, Just peel them, throw them in the bowl. Easy to smash up. Boom. Comes to 277 grams. 2 bananas. Alright. So I'm gonna smash them up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, got it all smashed up. And you just put 1 egg in there. And then we'll put 2 scoops of the peanut butter fluff MTS protein in there. So here we go. One egg. Alright. One. 2. Alright. I'm going to cook these up and I'll show you how they look. Alright guys, got it all mixed up. It's okay, it's a little chunky. They'll cook all the same. looking pretty good, I'm going to actually throw some cinnamon in there too. Just a little extra flavoring. Just add. I'm not gonna measure, just go by eye. And you guys can do the same thing if you have vanilla protein. You can do either, put scoop peanut butter in there if you want, if you have the macros for it, or you can get some PB2 put in there, because there's only 1.5 grams of fat and 5 protein and 5 carb, so it's very, very macro friendly. If you don't have peanut butter flavored protein, so then you only have vanilla or something, so easy to make. Alright guys, so I'm going to cook these up and do a little taste test, see in a little bit. Alright guys, got the pancakes all made here. Made 3 pancakes, 3 decent sized pancakes. Measure my hand. Anyway, so macros on these, I'll show you right here in my Fitness Pal. Alright. Breakfast, 606 calories. Alright. And then macros. Fat, 12 grams. Carbs, 74. Protein, 60. Pretty macro friendly breakfast right there. So it's macros on that until I throw some all natural syrup on that bitch, because this ain't no sugar free syrup right here. This is all natural. So now you're gonna measure. You're just gonna throw some on there. Go by eye. Yep, it's about good. Alright. So that's it. Let's take a little taste test here. Just move it all around here. Alright. Okay, okay. It's really good as fuck, guys. I mean, all it is bananas, 1 egg, 2 scoops. You can even put 1 scoop protein in there if you want, or just use 1 banana. But you really taste the banana and the protein really well, or the peanut butter and the protein. That's it. I'll see you guys later. By the way, give you a little shot here. That's pretty bad later. Alright. What do you guys think? Weighed 201 this morning. Get a little back shot. There you go. Tricep. That's it. See you guys next time. It's Cooking with Shafe, and a little update too. So comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks. Boom! What's going on, family? This is Shafe Dog here with HNB bodybuilding, and decided to do a day of eating for you guys. So right now, I just got done lifting. I did pretty much upper body day. I did started with chest, flat dumbbell, then went to superset with the superset with pull-ups, overhand, and just arms, chest, and back. Pretty much what I hit today, and had my 2 scoops of you know what, MTS way, peanut butter fluff. Best protein, guys, in my opinion. Food, ingredients, macros, and flavor-wise, the best out there. All right, and so now cooking my lunch. I got 11 ounces of that Genio turkey, ground turkey. It's 93.7, and per serving, per 4 ounces, I got 8 grams fat, 21 grams protein. So I got about 11 and a quarter here, and these are about done, as you see, nice and good and done. I got these. I'm putting on these little thin-wich buns. Macros on these are 1 gram of fat, 32 carb, 6 grams protein. Got 3 fiber in there, not too bad. So set the camera down. I'll put. Alright, so I got my turkey burgers on here. Got some gentle ultra thin, only 40 calories a slice. So I got provolone, and I got the Kobe Jack of the same thing. The macros on these guys are pretty good. Very macro friendly. You're just really thin, as you see. And I also got cooking in the oven. Show you guys. That's a sweet potato on top, just warming it up, and then I got some carrots cooking in there, some baby carrots. So that's gonna be my lunch, and I'll show you guys what what it looks like before I eat it. So guys, what I put in the burgers, you know, it's a turkey, 937 turkey, serving of the baby rays, and then a serving of this wheat germ to help it keep it together. Macros on this, pretty good. 1.5 fat, 7 grams carbs, 4 grams protein, pretty damn good. I recommend putting this in, burgers or whatever. It's good stuff. And then you always gotta have some Miss Dash on the. And you always gotta have. Fuck. And you always gotta have some Miss Dash. We got the garlic herb, lemon, fiesta, all that good shit. I put the garlic and herb in there, salt free. Good stuff guys. That's all I put in the burgers. So I'll give you guys the macro breakdown in the description. Alright guys, so I got 4 3/8 ounce sweet potato with skin on, 2 turkey burgers, and 1/2 servings of baby carrots cooked. So that's it. About to go to the Silver Hawks game, baseball game, and we'll see what I eat there. Peace. Alright guys, at the game, drink a beer, not too bad, about 20 ounces. And then for midnight snack, I got some yogurt, strawberries, and granola. So that's it for today. If you guys like this, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see more of, and see you next time. Peace.